What's up guys, welcome to Just Know It. My name is Albert. Now today I'm going to share with you my top 5 secured crypto trading platforms that are going to help you in 2023. Now make sure you stick around to the end of this video because after sharing these top 5 platforms, I'm going to share with you something I call a cookie. Alright, you don't want to miss it. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video. Welcome to Just Know It. Let's jump into it. Number 5 on the list is Crypto.com. Now, Crypto.com is one of the largest and fastest growing crypto exchanges. It's based in Hong Kong, but then it offers tons of support for US-based customers. Alright, right now you can have access to over 90 tokens of coins worldwide and 50 tokens of coins if you are in the United States. Plus, they offer solid rates on their crypto savings account. Now, the only major drawback about Crypto.com is that it's app-based. Like, you know, there's no desktop platform. Like, they don't have any desktop platform. It's just app-based. All right. Number 4 on the list is Binance. Now, Binance is a great platform for trading currencies like the Cardano and Neo. All right. Binance, very secured. All right. But then, it's not as easy to use as the other crypto platforms. Binance has a bit of complex user interface, and the user interface is not that friendly as much as the other crypto trading platforms are. But Binance is really great, and they have a decent mobile app and then also a web application software. But even with the mobile application software, it's not as easy to use as the other platforms are. Some of the pros about Binance is that it supports huge amounts of coins and tokens, all right, and then it has fast transaction times. And one also very important thing about Binance is low fees. Like, you know, the charges on Binance when you are transferring funds is very low. Number 3 on the list is the Ethereum. Now, Ethereum has been around for a while in the UK and throughout Europe, but even now they are allowing traders in the United States. They offer a huge variety of digital assets to buy and sell on their platform. Alright guys, so here are some of the pros about Ethereum. Now, especially if you are a new user, Ethereum has low minimums to start trading on their platform. Also, it gives the ability to other traders to copy portfolios. Guys, number 2 on the list is Coinbase. Now, Coinbase is one of the most popular and one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges because you can actually invest directly with USD. So if you have USD, you can just invest directly. Now, you can currently purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and just about some other coins and tokens on the platform. Coinbase allows you to earn interest on your USDT, and you can also earn token rewards by completing various activities. Coinbase is very sweet, guys. Some of the pros about Coinbase is it's easy to use. The user interface is friendly as compared to Binance, and then it has a good selection of tokens and coins to invest in. Now, one thing I love about Coinbase is it has a high level of security. Now guys, number 1 on the list according to my rating is Gemini. Now, Gemini also is one of the most popular platforms to invest in crypto, as it was one of the first major exchanges, and today it's one of the largest by assets. Gemini supports most cryptocurrencies and has a decent support and engagement and pays competitive interest on its assets. That's if only you qualify for these interests. All right. Now guys, here are some of the pros about Gemini. Right now, Gemini is very easy to use, and it's app-based, and it's also one of the largest exchanges by assets. All right guys, so as I promised you, if you've stuck around to this point, I want to give you this sweet cookie. All right, I call it a sweet cookie because it's going to help you in your crypto trading. All right, especially if you are new. Now, when it comes to overall best crypto trading platform, I would want to give it to Gemini because Gemini is user friendly, it's secured, it's an app based. They also have a web app, and I mean, Gemini is just cool. right? And when it comes to trading, best for trading, when it comes to making transactions, buying and selling, I would want to award this to Binance, because Binance does well when it comes to buying and selling of crypto assets. Now, when it comes to the best to earn interest, all right, saving your Bitcoin on a platform to earn an interest, I would give that to Crypto.com. I mean, Crypto.com gives you a relatively higher interest as compared to all the other crypto trading platforms. All right, that's all I had for you today. If you enjoyed this video, I welcome you to subscribe to this channel. Just hit this little button here. It takes less than 1 second. Come on, go ahead and try.